like me. I ain't cut like these bitches, count up a check in a white tee. Bitch, I'm roll running, I don't give a fuck who beside me. Still the coldest bitch, it don't even matter who bite me. Weak assholes.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell right here, I already have my hair braided up, washed, cleaned, and conditioned the night before. So what you guys see me doing here is just tying up my hair out of the way so I can start doing this tutorial. So what you will need is this crochet needle, some scrunchies or hair tie, your Cuban hair twist, make sure you say double strand on it, and also your free tree twist braiding hair. It doesn't matter which length or whatever, but I got the inches for the Cuban twist. I got 16 inches, and the free tree twist I got the 22 inches. So right here I'm just checking to see like the length that I want it to be. So now I'm gonna insert my crochet needle in my braid, hook it onto the needle, latch it close, and pull it through the braiding hair just like that. And then I'm gonna continue pulling it all the way until it's like literally through the braiding hair. So now I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna comb out the end of the Cuban twist so that way it doesn't look all knotted and it's like, you know, like this. That way it's easier to twist. I'm gonna do the same step, hook it onto the crochet needle, close the latch, and pull it through the braid. And then I'm gonna continue keep pulling it until it's like that. So now right here I looked it hella confused because this is my first time doing this hairstyle and I was confused as hell. Okay, I was confused watching all these tutorials and how these people do it, but then I still got the hang of it after I did this first one right here. So what you guys see me doing is just wrapping it around a few times close to the scalp, and then I'm gonna continue keep wrapping it all the way down, overlapping the Cuban twist on each other so that way the hair underneath doesn't show. So with this, when you guys are overlapping the Cuban twist, make sure you guys are like wrapping it really tight, because as you guys can tell, like I wasn't wrapping it tight and then it's starting to like loose up and shrivel up and stuff like that. So make sure you guys wrap it really tight and overlap it really neat. I was taking my time and I was still doing it neat, yes, and I was overlapping it really tight, but somehow I don't know what happened, it just looked it all like curled up and I was like, what the hell, like this is a fail. But like I said, this is my first time, so it came out to my likings. So now what you guys see me doing here, well, you guys really can't see, I hope you guys can see, I don't think y'all can see, but I'm just wrapping it up, going back upwards, and then when I can't wrap anymore, I'm gonna go in with my my lighter that I have and I'm gonna burn the ends. This is how it's supposed to look when you finish your first goddess locks. Okay, this is how it's supposed to look. So right here, you guys, oh my goodness, I was contemplating if I should continue because I wasn't even halfway through my head and I was really tired already, like literally. But I still continue, and you guys see what I was talking about, the curls, like it was not like straight, some was straight and some was curly, but then it just was getting on my nerve and I just said forget this hairstyle and I'm just gonna do it how I do it so I can just get through the night, because I was literally going on to like 12 o'clock doing this hairstyle. Like I started at like I started like 8 o'clock, I think. I don't remember what time I started, but I started really late and I was going on to 12 finishing up this hairstyle. Plus I paused in between to take a drink break and a food break, and oh boy child, my fingers was cramping up and I just couldn't continue anymore. Like I just had to take a break. I was getting annoyed and frustrated of how the hair was turning out and I just couldn't bear anymore. So I just said, you know what, let me just continue this hairstyle and I'm gonna just hurry up do this and finish it for you guys because I have to get this video out. And yeah, that's just it. So now I'm just gonna show you guys like how it look. So this is how it look like halfway through, and I look very exhausted and tired in my face, as you guys can see, but I'm still pushing through and thugging through this whole video. Like literally. But yeah, I try to make the hairstyle as fast as I can with this whole tutorial, but the way how I try to do it, it wasn't cutting it, because I still felt like I was like doing it slow. Not like the editing and whatnot, but like doing my hair itself. I try to like make it fast as possible, like try to cut ways, but it just wasn't happening. It still ended up taking forever. But I still pushed through and I finished this hairstyle. So yeah, I'm just gonna let y'all watch me finish up this braid and my hair. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I forgot to let you guys know, you guys have to stretch the hair like what I'm doing right here, so that way it's more longer, so it can be able to wrap around and make sure it's nice and tight, and your curls is not showing underneath. Make sure you have to overlap it, okay? So just do that. Guys, I'm finally on my last twist of me doing my hair. This hairstyle is very time consuming, so I advise you guys, if you guys are doing this hairstyle, start from high sky day and don't be like me and start like midday or at nighttime doing your hairstyle, because you will be sitting your ass there forever doing this hairstyle. It's very time consuming, especially if you don't know what you're doing coming straight from the butt off like me. But like I said, I'm finally on my last twist and I'm just happy this hairstyle came out perfect, but it still kind of didn't. I still like it to my likings, and it's giving me like Rasta vibe, dread vibe, vibe like that. I kind of like look like my mom with this type of hairstyle. So I'm gonna give you a close-up shot like right here so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm doing the same thing but going upward instead of going down, wrapping up the excess hair. Then I'm gonna take my lighter and burn it, and then now I'm gonna go in with the scissors and like clip the ends and then split that into half, that way it could look more thinner. I was thinking of doing that in all of the hair, but then I was like, that's too much. I'm exhausted already, it's late and I'm tired, so I just said, you know what, never mind. So this how we look if I was to do it. So now I'm giving y'all some some looks with the hair. It's kind of tight. I'm just kind of like playing around with it to see like how I like it on which side or whatnot, but I didn't really care too much for it because of, like I said, how the hair kind of looked. It looked curly and twisted. But like I said, this is the end of the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and also turn your post notification bell so you guys won't miss another video. And yes, you guys, thank you guys for watching. Bye.